What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to automatically edit music videos in under 60 seconds using the AutoEdit AI music video plugin for Premiere Pro. So if you ever had to edit music videos, you know that it can take forever to synchronize takes, cut to the beat, switch between performance takes, and add visual effects. So this is how this plugin works. You simply go to Window, you hit Extensions, and you click AutoEdit Music Video Mode. The plugin opens, you upload your music track, then you upload your performance shots and any B-roll if you have any. Once you import all your footage, you hit continue and it automatically builds out your timeline, stacking everything automatically for you. So just like that, you can see it builds it out for us. Now we go ahead and literally just right click and we synchronize our performance takes. Boom, just like that, it is now synchronized. Now we hit next and it will detect the BPM for us. Or if you know the BPM, you can manually enter it by literally just typing it in. Now you can go ahead and choose the different edit type. I prefer stairs and collapse and variation speed. Then we click proceed to B-roll and trim B-roll. And now just like this, my hands are off the timeline. And as you can see, it's automatically building out our B-roll selects for us. Keep in mind, this is a music video rough cut. It's not going to be a perfect finalized edit, but it does a great job of getting you a starting point. So now you can see it's automatically building out our full timeline for us. Look at this. This looks so crazy to watch this happen. IRL. Let's go ahead and zoom in so we can see this happen. Now it's automatically switching between all of our different performance takes. It's building out this full music video timeline for us so that we don't have to do anything. And you could just literally sit back and kind of chill while this happens. Now it's done editing, you can see we have a full music video rough cut of our timeline done. You can see we have performance takes, we have B-roll shots. It really did a full rough cut for us. Like I said, it's not going to be perfect, but it gets you a great starting point. So then that way you can focus on being creative and applying those creative decisions yourself. But it doesn't stop there. We can actually go ahead and apply camera shakes, overlays, effects by going to the AI visual effects tab. We can manually apply any visual effects that we want by just clicking the manual visual effects applier. Or we can go to the AI tab and we can literally just select whatever visual effects types that we want. So if we want film burns, mixed media, etc., we can do so. And then we can adjust the intensity and click add visual effects and boom, instantly it now starts automatically applying visual effects for us on our timeline. So I'm going to go ahead and full screen this so you can see these visual effects being applied on the top layer. Look at that. I'm not even doing anything. My hands are up here and it's automatically adding those visual effects for us. This is a huge time saver, especially because you don't have to duplicate or adjust any adjustment layers. I don't think this is meant to replace video editors, but it definitely helps save you the repetitive setup work, especially if you're a video editor or music video director. Maybe you shoot run and gun music videos and you have a lot of projects that have short deadlines. There's even a built-in title card applier where you can automatically apply title cards with just the click of a button and automatically applies them for you, where you can go ahead and customize them and adjust them to say whatever you want. This is the final result. This is probably one of the easiest ways to get a music video rough cut done in just a minute. So if you want to edit your music videos 10 times faster using AI, then click down below to download the AutoEdit Music Video plugin.